Hello guys, JBL Times here, welcome to a new video, and today we have an unboxing. And this time we have the JBL Go 2. So this is a very good speaker. I had the version 1, in fact I did an unboxing as well, you can see it somewhere around here. And I'm very happy with that speaker, however I've used it a lot. And the battery is very dead, so I decided to buy this new one. The thing I like the most probably about this speaker is the price. This costs €25, which is a very affordable price, kind of like $25. So yeah, I just decided to buy a new one. And the main feature of this new version, besides from some design tweaks, is that it's water resistant up to IPX7. So yeah, I really want to test that out. Actually, the old one isn't supposed to be water resistant, but I can tell you it is, because I've taken it in the shower quite a few times and it survived. Actually, maybe that's why the battery is very dead. But never mind, let's proceed to opening this. Okay, so this comes in a huge range of colors. The first one I got in black, this one I got in navy blue, I think. I don't know if it's a weird color, but I liked it. I was between this and the yellow one, but the yellow was very light and I thought it would get dirty very easily. But yeah, this is the speaker. It's very nice. This time it comes with port sealed for improved water resistance, of course. And inside we just have the charging micro USB port and a headphone jack in case you want to plug a phone in and listen to it, but of course it's a Bluetooth speaker, so you don't need that. And then we get this little box here, and here is very well packed. Here you can find the charging cable. It's in orange and very short, just like the previous version. Let me unwrap it. Here it is. Actually, it's different. This one is like the other one was like round, and it says JBL on the sides. So yeah, small design tweak, but it's the same length pretty much. And then the instructions, I guess, which I don't need. Okay. Whoa. JBL Go 2. The warranty information in 1,000 languages. Oh, instructions. Yeah, nothing new here. Also, this also has a speaker. I don't know where actually, but it has a speaker. An improved one, because the old one also had a speaker, but a microphone. But it wasn't so good. You can supposedly take calls from here, but it wasn't that good, the microphone in the other one, so hopefully this one is better. And yeah, it just has the same controls we're used to. Power on, Bluetooth pair, volume minus, volume plus, and this is the multi-purpose. In the last version, let me show you better and up close. So these are the two speakers side by side. You'll notice the new one is on the right, and it's a tad bit taller, and yeah, it has rounded edges instead of just square edges. And on the top you can see the difference in the buttons. Mainly the old one has a call sign, a phone sign, and that's just like if you press once you can pause, if you press twice you can go forward, 3 times to go backwards, and that's it. Whereas the new one has a more appropriate play pause button, which I think is better. So yeah, and then on the back it's very different. This one has like a printed JBL logo, and this one has like an embedded one. I think it's very nice. So to pair it is very simple, very simple. You just turn it on. Oh, actually the sound is also different. Let me show you with the old one. This is the power on, and of course this one just paired to my phone because it was paired before. So now we have to unpair it by long pressing the Bluetooth button. And now they're in pairing mode, you can see the light blinking. So now I'm gonna take my phone and pair it. Okay, so now to pair it, you just need to go to your device's Bluetooth settings. And here you can see, and you'll see JBL Go is the old one and JBL Go 2 is the new one. So we press it and that little music comes and you can know that it's connected. So now I'm connected. You'll see also that the light is white in this one, whereas here is blue. Here, this one, when you charged it, the light turned red. I don't know how it will become this one, I'll let you know. But yeah, so now you can just play any music you want. Yep, as you can see it's very loud, and then you can also raise the volume here. What I like about this speaker is that when you raise the volume here, it changes the volume on the phone. So it's like not two independent volumes, but just one, so that's very nice. And also if you raise it from your phone, it of course raises here as well. And that happened in the old version too. And yeah, I find the buttons here more clickable than the last version, which is nice because they were kind of hard to click. But yeah, actually let me pause the music. But yeah, I'm very happy with the new speaker. The battery life is pretty much the same, supposedly 5 hours of listening time, which I mean, if it actually is that, it's not that bad, I think. But yeah, so this is the JBL Go 2. Now let's go finish the video. Oh, by the way, before I finish the video, I just remembered this is a comparison between the two cables that are included for charging. None of them include a power brick, which is kind of unfortunate, but of course you have one from your iPhone or whatever, which you can use. So a little more in an up close, you can see that the new one has the JBL logo, whereas the old one just had a USB thingy, and on the other side it's the same. The old one was more rounded. Let me focus. Okay. The old one was more rounded with the USB logo, and the new one has the JBL logo. Both are orange. It's kind of a shame that they're not color matched with the speaker, but yeah, it's not a big deal. And then this one's like more plain, and this one is rounded. Okay, so this is everything you needed to see about the speakers. And to be honest, so this section of the video has been recorded a couple of weeks after all you saw until now. So I've had some time to try the speaker, and I have to say that I'm really happy. If you like this one and you have the same problem as me, the battery is getting worse or anything, it's a no-brainer. Just get this one, because so there's a couple things I noticed. First one, the light here, it doesn't turn red, so it turns red when the battery is low, but this one turned red way before than this one. So this one's just when it's about to die. I don't know what I think about that, because I like to know a bit in advance, so maybe if I'm gonna take a shower and it's gonna run out of battery during the shower, I know in advance and not with this one. But yeah, other than that, it's pretty perfect. It sounds very good, connection is very good too. The microphone, it's maybe a little bit better, but not a whole lot, to be honest. That's a bit of a letdown. But yeah, the water resistance though, it just makes it for me. I haven't tried to like put it in the water or splashing water directly into it, but during the shower I change the music, some water gets splashed, and it's no problem, it just works like the first day. And I hope it will do that for long. So yeah, what do you think about this speaker? Do you like it? Do you have it? Are you considering buying it? If you have any questions about it, please let them down below in the comments and I'll do my best to answer. Also, if you wanna buy this item, you'll find a link down in the description. And yeah, that's everything for today. Thank you very much for watching. Please thumbs up if you liked the video, and subscribe for more Apple related videos coming hopefully every week from now on. So yeah, thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!